This is the only Mayan city that it was built next to the ocean, to the water. Aquí estamos. 1 kilometer away, you will see a foamy line. That will be our second, the second largest coral reef in the world, right after the one in Australia. See?
A beautiful termite's nest. Hola, hola amigos, bienvenido. Hello friends, welcome. Today we are exploring the magical Tulum ruins, diving into El Castillo, that's the castle, and uncovering a hidden gem, Caleta pre-Hispanica. Ready? Vámonos! Let's go!
Have divisions in the interior. Okay, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers in the interior. Stone, see, they made mortar. How? They have to bake this 24 hours. See, next day is very, very porous. It's like dust. You go like this, dust. Then they added some other minerals to make this mortar. This is the difference between the constructions amongst the Incas, Egyptians, and Mayas. Those are the ones that didn't use mortar.
Get around, Grandma. If you want to stand up above them, go ahead.
Oh, right there.
Holy moly.
This one.
Oh my God, come on. There's another one up there.
Oh, he's coming way up there.
Thanks for remembering me with my daughter first. Hey, look who's walking down the wall. Oh, that's a big guy.
Rainwater in the hole for ceremonies. We are live from the ruins and it's raining.
Go bueno.
Inside it's clogged up. We're hiding, taking shelter under a tree right now. It's getting rained on. Oh my god. They're blessing us today. We've got the blessing. And then his nose is up top and his eye. He's looking like sideways. You see the bottom of his chin right there?
Oh, yes.
Yep. She said it's split into 3 parts. Your top is where you exist mentally. Your eyes and your nose are what you see and you smell. And your bottom is what you speak and what you do. And then there's 3 gods. There's the upside down god because he descended from 2 guys. There's the little baby god. And then there's the, you can't really see her go. Those things taken out, those are her legs. It's like a fertility goddess. Mayan structures align with the sun. Los mayas eran genios astronómicos. The Maya were astronomical geniuses. Caleta means small cove or inlet. Y pre-Hispánica, bueno, eso es antes de los españoles. And pre-Hispanic, well, that means before the Spanish. Here, Maya fishermen would dock their canoes. It was a sacred entry point connecting land, water, and spirit. Literalmente un lugar mágico, literally a magical place. Tulum is one of the last cities built and inhabited by the Maya. In Espanol, Tulum significa muralla. Tulum means wall. This walled city was a major port for trade. It dates back to the 13th century. The vibes. worldwide. Deep vibes at the Tulum ruins. Deep vibes at an archaeological site. And look, that's El Castillo, the main temple, perched right on the cliff. Epic location, right? So, whether you're here for the ruins, the view, or the vibes, Tulum has something ancient and timeless to share. Gracias por acompañarme hoy. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe for more bilingual adventures and let me know. ¿Te gustaría visitar Tulum? Would you like to visit Tulum? Dame más gasolina. The feast, una cerveza, bean, frijoles, arroz, taco con pollo, taco con pescado, taco con carne.